just going to demonstrate the two gimbals which I have. I have Hohem iSteady 2, I think it is, which I'm holding in this hand here, and it's got a GoPro mounted to it, and I'm pointing it at the other gimbal, which is on a wee tripod there, and attached to it I have a Sony XZ2 smartphone. So I will swap hands and I hope I can demonstrate the ability of the gimbal. You'll see my thumb there controls things like tilting up and down, and I can also move left and right, and it's very steady. It also would enable me to move around and keep things pretty steady as is. Unfortunately, the app that's connected to the hohem doesn't give me the opportunity to control things like focus and colour, but you can see as I move around it's pretty good, and such a good camera on the Sony, it doesn't seem to be a problem. So I'll put it back down on the tripod here. One thing I'm not too keen on is the way you mount the phone onto the gimbal. It's just two spring-loaded jaws and kind of rubber kind of channels that it has to sit within. So always paranoid about kind of the phone slipping out or dropping it. But it just all depends where and when you use it. I intend to use it to film live gigs, and just worried somebody nudges me and it all goes down. But we shall see. I got this gimbal on eBay for less than £40, so I think it's worth a go. And I was really impressed by the one I'm holding here in my right hand, which I've used with the kind of GoPro cameras, the action cameras. So we'll see if the one for the smartphone compares. I'm now going to do a swap over just so you can see the difference. So filming from the smartphone, you can see the same kind of setup with the action camera fitted. Okay, I don't know how useful that is, but for my own kind of trial and error approach, it seems to be good.